Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing an Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. At the bottom over here is my address, so I'm not going to open her up like that. Or do the usual spin around. See if I can slide that out, get rid of that. So here's the box, a typical Backmarket type of box. Pull that down. Hopefully no address, but you can definitely see Backmarket. And then, okay, so it seems they give you a watch strap, which I'm going to classify as fake. So not a real genuine Apple Watch strap. Put that over there. Comes with a charger. Again, most likely not real. Yeah, you can see made in China. So not a genuine one either. And then over here should be the watch head. Now this condition was fair, which I know from other videos people were quite interested in knowing. I'm going to turn it on if it's got power. I can see a little scratch over there. If I run my fingers over it, I can I feel it? I don't know if you can see it. But on the back here, it says SE, LTE watch, 50 meters. It's very clean. It's white. It's got glass, Ion X, aluminium, 44 mils. If I turn it on, no power. So yeah, here is a Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. It's got the little red, so it means it's cellular. I mean, in general, to be honest, I can't see any like deep scratches. I don't know how well it comes in the camera. I'd probably say there's a little nick there, but that classifies as wear and tear. No like proper scratches. The sides are fine. Sorry for the tapping, it's my dogs. Yeah, so, oh, there you go, power. I clicked the wrong button. If you guys have any questions or comments or who the seller is, drop a comment below. But again, Backmarket, third time I bought it for them. I've bought 2 phones before. I've got one of the unboxings on YouTube, but first time having a watch. I'll have to charge it and see, but yeah, so far so good. If any issues, I'll drop in the description if I had any problems. But yeah, other than, I'll probably buy another one of these. This was a gift, so I'll buy a genuine one of those, and then yeah, I mean, as long as it works, it's good. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments or questions, please drop it below and I'll happily help. Thank you.